Welcome to my Mastering Your Money Mindset course. I am Carol Glynn and I am a chartered accountant and ICF qualified life coach. My history has been in finance since I can remember. I loved numbers. I was always fascinated by maths and making things balance. I followed the route of accounting and worked my way up to being head of finance, being a partner in an international business and head of many different finance divisions across all of EMEA. A few years ago, I left that all behind because I felt that I wanted to do something that was more fulfilling to me and where I was actually helping people and giving back. And that is where my business was created. What I do is I help my clients align their money with their values, digging deep into your financial mindset, because for me, our money mindset is the most important part of our whole money management system. Our money mindsets are a set of beliefs that we have been developing since childhood. They are what influences our decisions when it comes to money, but actually it's much wider than that. If you think about it, how many decisions do you make every day that are not impacted in some way by money? And our money mindset, our feelings about money, our feelings about wealth, our feelings about others and their money will have an impact on those decisions that we are making. Even if we think that we are doing something that doesn't have a money impact, in actual fact, we do. So if you think about, you want to go to the beach, for example, it doesn't cost anything, the beach is free. However, we need money to pay for the fuel, for the car to get you there. We need money for the blanket that we might sit on, for the shoes and the swimwear that we're going to wear. There is very little that we do on a daily basis that is not impacted or doesn't require money. And too often our relationship with money is quite negative. Culturally, globally, in society, it's often thought that to be interested in money, to want more money is bad. But to me, money is just energy. It's like food that we use to feed our body. Energy that money provides is just what we use to do the things we want to do every day. And the more aligned we are with that energy, the more positive relationship we have with that energy, the better mindset that we have when it comes to money, the more fulfilling life we can have, and actually, the more money we can attract. During this course, you will gain clarity around your limiting beliefs around money and your money mindset. You will come away feeling less stressed and more empowered about money. You will have clarity maybe around your financial situation. You will know how to use your money mindset to enhance your life, to be able to use your money in line with your values to live a more fulfilling life. And you will also learn how to cultivate mindfulness when it comes to your money so that you can be more conscious and intentional with how you both attract and spend your money. There is often so much shame and stress and anxiety around money. Money is the number one cause of stress worldwide. It is the number one cause of arguments in relationships. And a lot of that is triggered by shame and causes shame. And when we feel shame, regardless of its cause, it causes us to procrastinate. It really holds us back. And like I said earlier, money is just an energy. And if we attach shame to that, we're not allowing it to give us what we want in life. So what can we do about that? During this course, you will be able to identify where you might feel shame. Identify where you believe you've made a mistake in the past and where your feelings around that mistake may be holding you back, maybe leaving you sitting in shame, causing you to procrastinate and not move forward with your money. During this course, you will learn mindfulness, how to release any shame or anxiety you have around money, and to use your money to create freedom, reduce your stress, and really align how you use your money with your values so you can live the life that you want to live for yourself, for your family, and for your community. This course is suitable for individuals at all levels of financial literacy, all levels of income, and regardless of where you are, whether you have debt that you are trying to manage or you have a lot of money sitting in the bank that you don't know what to do with. Money mindset is universal. It is genderless and it applies to everyone, anyone who has money. During the next 6 days, we will touch on many of the topics that will help you improve not only your money mindset, but other areas of your financial life. We will talk about how to set values-driven financial goals, how to identify and enhance your money mindset, how to understand where it might be holding you back in life, how to manage your savings and what to do with that, how to approach debt and your mindset when it comes to every element of finance in your life. At the end of this course, You will be able to come away feeling empowered, have tools to move forward with your money, and feel more confident with how you use your money, regardless of your starting point. Every day, we have practical tools, we have worksheets for you to use, questions to go through, and I am so excited to get started. I have seen how upgrading your money mindset can change your life in such fundamental but easy ways. I am excited to have this journey with you over the next 6 days.